Are you making these cleaning mistakes? You probably think that you're keeping your house spotless and safe, but these habits are silently ruining your house. And I guarantee you're guilty of at least one of these. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to stop doing and what to do instead to save your home, your health, and even your wallet. Number 1, using way too much cleaner. I used to drench my counters thinking that the wetter, the cleaner. But all that did was leave a sticky film. That residue doesn't just sit there. It grabs onto dust and bacteria. So your clean counters look dirty by tomorrow. Here's the fix. Use less product, spray lightly, and then wipe with a clean microfiber towel. If it feels sticky, reset it with plain water. Bonus tip, if you've ever wondered why your stainless steel looks streaky after you've cleaned it, this is the reason why. Mistake number 2, spraying and wiping instantly. I was guilty of this. The problem? Cleaners need time to dwell. If you wipe the second you spray, you're just wasting your product. The fix, let it sit for about 30 seconds. On tough jobs, you can let it sit for up to 2 to 3 minutes. That's when it actually starts dissolving grime and killing germs. Try this once and you will not go back. Number 3, using one rag everywhere. Sink, fridge, table, all with one cloth. What you're really doing is giving germs a first-class ticket around your house. Here's a simple fix. Use color-coded rags. Use blue for your kitchen, yellow for your bathroom, green for dusting. That way, bacteria stays contained. And trust me, your home will smell fresher when you stop cross-contaminating your microfiber towels. Be honest, how many of you guys use one towel for everything? Comment guilty, because I want to make sure I'm not the only one. Mistake number 4, ignoring high-touch spots. We polish our countertops, but what about our doorknobs or light switches and remotes? Studies show these are some of the dirtiest surfaces inside your home. Here's the fix. Once a week, take 60 seconds to hit these spots with a microfiber towel and a disinfectant like Odoban that you can find at any store. It's the quickest way to cut down on germs and colds. Mistake number 5, overloading your washing machine. I get it. No one wants to do 2 loads. But cramming clothes in means your water and your detergent can't circulate. Your clothes come out smelling funky and your washer machine ages faster. Here's a simple fix. Fill the drum about 2/3. Clothes will actually come out cleaner and your washer machine will last years longer. Pro tip, about once a month, run an empty hot cycle with vinegar to keep the drum fresh. Number 6, spraying cleaner directly on a screen like laptops, TVs, or iPads. The liquid drips down, seeps into the edges, and fries electronics. The fix, spray the microfiber cloth, never the screen. Using dry microfiber afterwards to buff it streak-free. And the last one, mistake number 7, not ventilating. We spray chemicals in sealed rooms and then we breathe in those chemicals. Not only is it bad for your lungs, but it can also settle back into surfaces. Here's the fix. Crack a window, run a fan, or just leave your door open. You'll notice cleaning feels lighter and the air feels fresher. Pro tip, use eco-friendly cleaning products like Odoban and you won't have to worry about this. Let's recap. Too much cleaner, wiping too soon, one rag everywhere, ignoring high-touch spots, overloading the washer machine, spraying screens, forgetting ventilation. I've been guilty of every one of these at some point. But once you fix them, your house will stay cleaner longer and you won't waste money by ruining your things. Question for you, which mistake surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments, I reply to all of them. If this video helps you, hit like, subscribe for snap clean tips every other week, and check out this video next. It's all about the hidden places in your washer machine that cause smells. And trust me, you will not want to miss this. And trust me, your home will smell fresher when you stop cross-contaminating your microfiber towels.